Hello everyone, welcome to Abhivyakti channel. So Murthy's Creations is back with another science project. And last time you watched a project about layers of atmosphere and air pollution. And this time also the topic is air. So here is Mr. Shankar Murthy who has created this model of water dispenser. So let us check out what all materials are used for this water dispenser. And so the cardboard as usual, and you can see that there is a water bottle and there is a hole made here, and a straw has been attached to this water bottle. It has made sure that it has glued well so that water doesn't spill. And so you can see the model, how it has been done. The cap, there is a cap for the bottle. So we need to fill this water bottle with water. So now we have removed the cap, and the whole water bottle, the air is filled with this, but we cannot see that, right? So now when we have to fill the water bottle, the straw is closed so that water doesn't come outside the bottle. And when we start pouring the water, the air inside the bottle actually comes out of the bottle in the space where through the opening of the bottle, but again we cannot see that. Now you can see that the water is being filled. So now we are going to cover the bottle with the cap. So it is tightly, the cap is being closed tightly. And now when the opening of the straw is released, you can see that the water is not pouring and slowly it is stopping. The water is dripping here because there is air inside the bottle still, where only the half of the bottle is filled with water, and because of that air is creating a pressure and water is dripping here. Now let us see what happens when the more air pressure is built. So now we are loosening the cap of the bottle. When you loosen the cap of the bottle, you can see that air is coming faster and with more volume. And now by closing the cap tightly, again water is dripping. Meaning when the cap was loosened, the more air passes into the water bottle and creates an air pressure, where the air occupies the space inside the water bottle, creating a pressure and pushes the water down. So again let us do that. While loosening the cap, you can see that more water comes out of the bottle, and by tightening it, so again the water starts dripping here. So what we learnt about from this experiment is that air occupies space and also air has pressure. Thanks for watching it. This is Anita Nadik, and stay tuned for many more science projects like this. Please subscribe to Abhivyakti channel if you are looking to learn more. Thank you.